Welcome everyone. With the new year comes Xcode 26, and today we are taking a look at what's changed. In terms of UI customization, Apple is moving toward a more rounded design language. You will notice the increased use of corner radius across the interface. For instance, the left panel now features rounded corner. However, the design isn't fully symmetric yet. The right panel remains unchanged and still uses sharp edges. It's great to see Apple prioritizing visual consistency. The new Xcode settings now closely mirrors the look and feel of the Mac OS settings. It no longer feels like a standalone or a third-party tool. The only notable addition in the update is to sign in to coding intelligence. Look, who is here? ChatGPT. Xcode now offers native support for ChatGPT with a dedicated button right in the interface. Just one click and you are instantly connected to the power of AI. It opens a seamless portal to coding assistance and intelligence suggestions. We will dive deeper into this integration later on. Now, speaking as a developer, opening a new tab in Xcode 26 brings up a powerful unified search bar. Just press Command+P and you can see a new search bar. You can search for files in your project, or you can search for any symbols, Apple built-in classes, functions, essentially anything in your project or the SDK. Suppose I want something related to URLs, so I can just see all the documentation here. I just want to see about URL session, so I can just see what all things are there in URL sessions. So it's all just in one click away, making navigation significantly faster and more efficient. Xcode 26 now allows you to pin working files, making it easier to quickly access frequently used files. So on the right side of all the tabs, there will be a pin button. Just click on that and your working copy will be pinned. However, there's still a small gap. If you accidentally closed all tabs, see what happened. Even the pinned ones are closed. Ideally, pinned tabs should persist across all tab closers. Hopefully, Apple consider addressing this in an upcoming beta release. Xcode 26 introduces a powerful enhancement, debugging previews. Previously, when writing test cases or functions, developers had to rely on print statement to inspect return values during the execution. Here I created a structure, student details, with the variables name, age, email, and phone. And it contains a function that basically returns all the students which have age greater than 25. Okay, but the function says get student age less than 25, and here we have student details where I'm just creating a array of the students. Now you can see the new enhancement. By just importing a playground and initializing the required elements, you can visually inspect responses. Here you can see I created a student list with a dummy list, and here on the right side you can see all the students. And in the second line, you can see I just call that function where age is less than 25. Now here in the 52 line, you can see the age is 28, but our statement says age less than 25. So what I will do, I will just go to our function and just make the mistake correct. Now you can see what happened here. It what when we just make the change, it directly reflect back to the visual preview. Now you can see in the student list there is only one student, that is random one, which is less than 25. However, as we know, previews can be slow to load in large projects. It will be interesting to see how well the debugging preview performs at scale. Now, for the most anticipated feature, native ChatGPT integration. This is a game changer. Simply pass a prompt and ChatGPT handles the rest, from fixing bug to generating entirely a new feature, all within the seconds. Let's start with something practical, asking ChatGPT to help fix an issue. So we will go with our example where we want the student list where age is less than 25. So I just make it greater than 25 and ask ChatGPT to fix the issue. There is a issue in that student age 25. Can you fix it? So as you can see, ChatGPT itself fixes the issue where it says I have fixed the filter condition get age less than 25, so that it now returns student whose age is less than 25. And in the debug preview also you can see it is working fine. And just for fun, let's see how it handles a more ambitious request, cloning the YouTube app. So basically it created a new file, YouTube clone view. When I go to file section, you can see my new file created by ChatGPT. And let's wait for the result in the preview panel. As I'm talking about the preview takes time, you can see how much time it is taking. So I just want to see how debug preview will work in the large projects. Now you can see it basically created a YouTube clone app where we have tabs home and explore and subscription library, etc. And here we have a list of videos with the notification and search bar. We can play more on the chat gpt in our next videos. One thing what I don't like is, so they have created different buttons for this folders and this chat gpt button. So basically if I go to chat gpt now, you can see the new conversation. So for that, what I need to do, I just have to go again to this request to create a YouTube clone app. So basically, if I want to see my changes, then what I need to do, I just need to go back to this folder. So it will basically leaving me with no options. You can see every time when I switch back from the file to ChatGPT, it basically lost. It also need to be take care in the next beta. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more developer content and updates. See you in the next one.